My Daily Routine by me, Javier Molino. Weekdays, I work from Monday through Friday. I am currently working at a call center and my shift starts at 11 a.m. and ends at 7 p.m. I usually wake up around 9 a.m. to have enough time to shower and eat breakfast without having to rush. Once I wake up, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and take a shower. Once I am finished, I get dressed and do my bed. I go downstairs and make myself some breakfast. If I didn't pack my lunch the night before, I do it in the morning and leave to work just after 10 a.m. to get to work by 11 a.m. I eat my lunch around 4 p.m. and wait until 7 p.m. to go home. Once I am home, I eat a light dinner and rest for an hour because after I start running on the treadmill. I then shower and watch television for a while until I get sleepy and go to bed in order to be ready for the next day. Saturdays are unpredictable because I am not always sure of what I'm going to be doing. Sometimes I go to the lake with some friends and have a barbecue, or I will go to the movies in the afternoon, and later at night I might go to the club with my friends for a while and enjoy myself. It really all depends on what I have planned, if anything. If I have no plans or do not do anything impromptu, I just stay home and watch movies. Sundays I like to stay home with the family and relax before returning to work the following day. This is also the day I choose to do the majority of my homework because it is usually due the next day. I stay home, talk with my family members, do my homework, and then do my lunch, get ready for bed, and go to sleep. And that is my week to week habits.